Good morning. It's August now. We're back from New Zealand. It's 95 degrees out. It's very hot, but we're in the shop and just working on more shop fixtures. This is the big work table in the middle of the shop. I needed a vise to put bodies in. Unlike some of the other vices in the shop, it had some special requirements. It needed to not scratch or dent the tone wood, and it needed one face that was flat and one that's curved, because the ukulele bodies or guitar bodies, we have this radius on the back. So what I did is I took this old school vise that I had. It's about 10 inches wide. It's a really heavy old vise, and I carved a wooden jaw on the back that's curved, and I added leather on both sides and shelf liner even on this side. So the goal would be to be able to put a body in here and quickly get it tight enough that it's not going to move, but I don't want to worry about cracking a half-done instrument. And so now that it's in here, I can inlay the end graft, I can drill the hole for the pickup, or sit and scrape binding. It feels good. And how many vices do I have set up in the shop now? A lot. But work holding is important. I feel like I can do my best work when everything's stable and solid. And it's okay to have several vices for several jobs, especially an important one like this. So this is on the big work table right in the middle of the shop, right behind the hand tool bench. So it's not far to travel to get this stuff done. And I think it'll be really useful. Cheers.